Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for giving us your time for this interview.
No problem. You're welcome.
Okay, ma'am. So I have prepared two questions here, and I need you to answer this. Okay. So the first question is: Are you currently involved or active in such public services?
Of course, as a teacher, isa sa trabaho namin ay yung magturo ng mga bata. Kadalasan, nagkakaroon kami ng remedial class, especially doon sa mga batang hindi nakakuha sa lesson or nakakuha ng mataas na marka during evaluation. Meron kaming mga ginagawang remedial class. Ito ay ginagawa after our time. Kadalasan kung wala na kaming time sa school, nagkakaroon kami ng home visit sa mga batang kung sasabihin natin ay mga struggling readers. Kadalasan, ginagawa namin ang home visit tuwing Sabado or Linggo. Binibisita namin yung mga bata doon sa kanilang bahay at tinuturuan. Isa yan sa aming responsibilidad bilang teacher.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So second question is: What are your values in life, or can you describe you as a citizen in your community?
Isa sa values na meron ako is yung patience. Dapat kasi sa isang teacher, may pasensya ka. Dapat mahaba yung pasensya mo. Because you are dealing with different characteristics of your pupil. Iba-iba kasi ang ugali ng mga ito. Kaya dapat pasensyoso ka. May pasensya ka.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your time today, and thank you for answering all the questions, and have a great day.
No problem. You're welcome.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Thank you so much for giving us your time today for this interview.
Hello, good morning, miss. No problem ata.
So yeah, so sir, I have prepared two questions here, and I need you to answer this. And um, first question is: Are you currently involved or active in such public services?
Yes, actually, I joined different youth organization in our community. Sanyagi is youth organization siya, which is ang ICAN, wherein mag-tree planting mi, mag-clean tribe, and also mag-coastal cleaning. Makabuhat, pud mi og mga activities para sa tanang tao, which is ang sumba-sumba every hapon pagabuhatan din. Napon yung mga events o seminars ang ginatabungan. Related na po ni sa among mga dito po sa among kuan ba sa associations. Then also member po ko sa Catholic Youth Ministry. We do prayer meeting every Sunday. And sadly, laylay naman po. Laylay naman ko, di na kayo kakapil karan.
Okay, so thank you, sir. So next question is: What are your values in your life, or can you describe what kind of a citizen you are in your community?
For me, matawag na ako ang self as one nga buotan ra pod na respectful person. I believe na respectful ko in a way na kahuna-huna ako nga dili ko mga pasakit sa laing tao nga naipisa akong kagulingon. Then makakatag og positive impacts labi na sa simbahan na sa mga youth nga gusto na ako apilan ko so possible ra po ko pagka-youth sa akong community.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for answering all the questions. So um, thank you for giving us your time for today, and have a great day.
Sure, miss, no problem. You're welcome. Thank you kayo sa pagpili. And I hope nga naka-help ko sa imo mag-gather the informations.